Northern Viper is a bilateral training exercise designed to enhance interoperability between the two US and Japan armed forces. Over 3,000 US and Japanese soldiers came together for the second edition of exercise Northern Viper that took place in Japan from 24 January until 8 February 2020.
Over 3,000 US and Japanese forces came together to take part in the second iteration of Exercise Northern Viper.
You work to improve not only our relationships with the 5th Brigade, but also individual relationships with the soldiers that are your counterparts.
Northern Viper is a training exercise designed to enhance interoperability of the US and Japanese alliance by allowing Marine Air-Ground Task Forces from 3 Marine Expeditionary Forces to maintain their lethality and proficiency in combined arms operations in cold weather environment.
As Marines, we say that we can operate in any climate and place, and the winter environment brings such a different challenges to it than any other environment that we're typically operate in. A lot of these Marines have experience in deployments to Iraq or Afghanistan, but operating here in this cold weather environment with the complexities of snow and ice and low temperatures brings a whole different challenge that we need to grow accustomed to.
The Japanese Ground Self-Defense Force helps Marines overcome these challenges.
They live here and they live in the cold environment and they train here all year round. So their skills in this environment, temperatures, in the snow, mobility, remaining lethal is top notch.